Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java packages. Let's get started. Okay. A package in Java is used to group related classes. Like think of a folder in a file directory. Okay. So we use package to avoid naming conflict and to write a better maintainable code. Package is divided into two categories. One is built-in package, another is user-defined packages, which we create by our own. And built-in packages are created by Java API. Built-in packages. The Java API is a library of pre-written classes that are free to use, included in Java development environment. The library contains components for managing the input, database programming. Okay, the complete list is there. This is the link, you can go through it. Okay, library is divided into packaging classes, meaning you can either import a class, single class, or along with its method and attribute, or a whole package that contain all the classes that belong to specified package. Now syntax: import package dot name dot class. If you are importing a single file, class file, you're importing full package in package.name.star for whole package. Okay, so here like package name, how they will java.util.scanner. This is importing a class, a single class. Okay, now if you find a class that you want to use like scanner, which is you should get the user input. Okay, in console we can input the user. In this example, our Java util is a package while scanner is a class of Java util package. To use scanner class, we create an object of a class and use of the available method found in scanner. Okay, so we use next line method, which is used to read the complete line. Here we have created the scanner object, and here we write system.in because we have to enter the data, okay, in console. String username, okay, and now we are using its object, and this we have one method next line of using this. Let's run and show you. Now enter name, and next line like it is asking to enter name. Here we will write Gunjan and hit enter. Put his user name is Gunjan. So like this it works. Okay, importing a package, this is also I have told you Java util and start for complete package. There are many packages to choose from. Okay, we have used scanner from Java util, so same we are using here. Okay, now root, my package, and user defined package. My package dot class, which was created by me, you can think of. Okay, by you only. Here we have written in package name. Now class is there and we are printing this is my package. Okay, so this is simply how we create. And when we compile it Java, see, and this my package, this class name dot java, and we will run like, then compile this package also we have to compile Java C minus t, a hyphen d you can say, then space, then dot, then space, then class name dot java. Okay, D refer to destination. Okay, now to run Java, this is package dot class name. Now output is this. Okay, so you can run this. See, this is printed. Okay, so we have completed packages also. If you have any question, please comment. Please do subscribe my channel, like my video if you like, and if okay, thank you, bye bye.